Hello there. Let's take a moment to explain the battery backup in your MATelec smoke alarms, including when to replace the battery and when to replace the entire smoke alarm. Both the DET-SMK RF AC1 and DET-SMK AC1 models include a 1-year alkaline battery as a backup in case of a power outage. This battery should be replaced every 12 months. When changing the battery, make sure you also check the unit expiry date on the back of the alarm. Once the alarm reaches its end-of-life 10-year span, the entire unit must be replaced. If you're unsure about the smoke alarm regulations in your state, the MATelec Australia State Legislation Guide on our website provides detailed, location-specific information. You'll know the battery needs replacing if the alarm begins to chirp and the red LED flashes once every 48 seconds. This warning cannot be silenced until the battery is changed. The DET-SMK RF AC10 and DET AC10 models come with a 10-year lithium battery. It's designed to last the entire life of the alarm, so you generally won't need to replace it. After 10 years, the alarm will chirp and the red LED will flash twice every 48 seconds, signalling that it's time to change the entire unit. At this stage, contact a registered electrician and have a new MATelec smoke alarm installed. It's important to keep your MATelec smoke alarms fully operational by replacing the battery regularly and updating the unit every 10 years. For a step-by-step guide on battery replacement, watch our Replacing the Battery in the DET-SMK AC1 and DET-SMK RF AC1 video in this series. And with every MATelec smoke alarm backed by the Smarter Smoky guarantee, you can have complete peace of mind. Compliant, supported, guaranteed.